Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Sign in to the Google account linked to your Pixel phone immediately. Use the same account you used on the phone. Open Android. .com/find in a browser or install the Find My Device app on another Android device. The service shows your device if it is powered on and connected to mobile data or Wi-Fi. If your Pixel is offline, the last known location will display when available. Keep your account credentials ready to access the device. Use the ring, secure, or erase options from Find My Device to act remotely. Tap ring to make the Pixel play a loud sound for several minutes. Choose secure to lock the phone instantly and display a recovery message with contact info. If you cannot recover the Pixel, select Erase to remove all data and protect your accounts. Note that Erase is permanent and may prevent further location tracking after the wipe completes. If your Pixel is offline, check Google Maps Timeline for the phone's last seen location. Open Timeline while signed into the same Google account to view recent device activity. Contact your mobile carrier to suspend service and flag the device as lost or stolen immediately. Retrieve the Pixel's IMEI from the original box or Google account settings before you call. If you have a clear last known location, file a police report and share the IMEI and location details with authorities.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.